Hey guys, well, time for another lawnmower comparison video. This should be a good one. We're going to compare the M series to the Duraforce. This will definitely be a good one. There's been a video kind of like this before, a comparison between an M series and a Duraforce from Louis Brazel, I think that's how I would say his name, which he has an M series 10590 and also has a Duraforce 10547. So what I have is an M series M21BMR. Now this is the earlier version of the 10591, which is basically just like this, just except the 10591 would have the newer style wheels like these. And so, yep. And let me turn the fuel valve on here on the M series. Okay. And I'll show y'all the model and serial number. So there it is. So the K on the serial number means that this mower was built in 1991. And yes, as you see right there, I did have a crack on the deck right here, and I fixed it with some JB Weld. Cool. And we'll look at the 10323's model and serial number sticker right there. So on this one, the 23, the first two digits of its serial number means that this mower was built in 2003. So both mowers are set at the 3-inch setting. It's been since last Sunday since I last mowed the yard, and we'll see how this will how well these mowers will perform. Alright, since we got full sunlight right here, it's probably going to be an issue with the glare. Yeah. I don't really like that. You know what? I'm going to reposition you guys. Don't know how well this will turn out, so let me pause y'all for a second. Alright, so I'm going to position y'all right here. And of course I'll start right at the middle, which is right here. We'll start out with the M series. I'll cut this side of the yard with the M series, and then we'll do this side with the Lawnboy 10323. Alright, so that'll work, so bear with me for a second. Well, actually, I'll just move this right toward the mower so y'all can see me start this thing up. Alright, so now I can reposition y'all again because now there's no sun now. There we go. Alright guys, well the sun finally came right back out. So, here's the result with the M series. Let me just take y'all off the tripod. And as you can see, nice clean cuts. Right here is like a mixture of St. Augustine and some wild Bermuda. Pretty good job. That's one of the reasons why I like mowing with these old two-stroke Lawnboy mowers. They just deliver a good quality cut, much better than on the new lawnmowers that are made today, which is what I'm trying to say. Okay, not much striping effect. It's hard to really make a stripe on St. Augustine grass, just because St. Augustine, the blades are much thicker. It's usually best like if with grasses with much thinner blades, like Bermuda, or even those cool season grasses like Kentucky Blue or Tall Fescue, which we don't really have much of those down here in Texas, just because it would be too hot to where those types of grasses would just burn up so much. Okay, so now for the Duraforce, and I'm going to actually position y'all right here at the front door of the house. And that should actually work because y'all could be able to see the entire yard. So what I will do, I'll just roll the lawnmower way over there and just start it up from right over there. Alright, make sure you guys can see that. Oh yeah, you can. Alright, so there you have it. So this side right here with the Lawnboy 10323, and then this side right here with the Lawnboy M series. Can't really tell that much exactly on what part of the grass was cut on which lawnmower. St. Augustine grass is looking really good. This little spot's looking good too. I think what I did when I drenched up these fire ants, I think I must have went a little heavy-handed with the orange oil and burnt the grass along there. But now it's starting to come out looking really good. I did put some compost on it. And I think probably within the weeks, every week whenever I do mow, this hole will start filling in. Because St. Augustine grass will start having little runners every time whenever you would cut it. Those little runners will start growing. That's one of the benefits of St. Augustine grass. Let's take a good close look. And once again, nice clean cuts. Because I do keep the blades sharp. I usually sharpen the blade on this mower more though, just because I do use it more than any of the others. And yeah, so that's it for the comparison between the Lawnboy M series and the Lawnboy 10323. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and so thanks for watching.